Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are testing out what I believe is new. I'm not sure. I don't think it's real new, but it's new to me, and I don't think it's very old because I tried the old one, the matte one, and I didn't really care for that one. This one is from Revolution, the Conceal and Hydrate. And that is what we're trying today. I also got the, what is this stuff? Concealer in the same thing, Conceal and Hydrate. And we're trying both of these out today. I'm going to read to you what it says on the Ulta website. I know that the foundation comes in 16 colors, so it doesn't have a very big shade range. And it says, Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Hydrate Foundation has been specifically formulated to suit every skin type and tone, but is particularly beneficial to dry skin. With hyaluronic acid, it offers all day long radiance and glow without setting into lines or clinging to dry patches. Housed in a Luxe glass bottle with a new pump applicator for added control, this foundation offers medium to full coverage. And I would say it offers medium coverage. So if you're interested, and it is a frosted glass bottle, but I don't mind plastic bottles really, and it retails for $12 at Ulta. The concealer, and this concealer also comes in 16 colors. And I have C2, I had F6 is the color I have in the foundation, and I have C1, which is the second to the lightest color. If you want to know how this performed against hot flashes and wrinkles, and you want to know how I applied it, stay tuned because I am going to show you. Okay guys, let's get started. We are going in with, before I go in with my foundation, I am going to go in with some Jordana Sculpt and Go contour, just to have some underneath. I already primed my face. I used my base tape and this Tatcha silk canvas that one of my subscribers sent to me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now I'm just going to blend this in with my Ulta brush. This is the Ulta Angled something. Angled Foundation. It says Angled Foundation, but I use it for my bronzer. It's kind of cheap though because it's really loose right there. Oh, it tightened up when I did that. So now it's good. Okay, that's enough of that. Now we're going to go in with our foundation. Oh, I already did my eyebrows too. And I used my NYX Precise Brow Pencil in Taupe and Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. So now we're going to go in with our Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I'm going to put one pump on my palette. And then I'm going to use my brush and just get a little on the brush. And then start going like this and getting it all down inside the brush. And I'm going to do that on my hand to get some of it off. And then I'm just gonna put it all over my face. And you don't need to get it real close to your eyes because if you're doing this, we're going to put concealer on still. So it will be covered up. I really like this technique of Tarte's. It definitely gives you a much lighter coat of foundation. Okay, now I'm going to go in and press this all in with my sponge. My damp sponge. Just to get it in the pores and no brush strokes. I did this whole makeup look yesterday, but I forgot to turn the mic on, so I had to refilm it today. But at least I don't have to make any decisions. It should be shorter today because I already know what I'm going to do, exactly the same. Oops. And I lost a bunch of brush hairs yesterday too. I need to put that on my list or I'm never going to remember to get another brush. Look at that one. Alright, we're going to go in and put concealer on. And I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C1. My color in the foundation was something 6. F6. So, just put a dot right there and a dot right there. A couple dots out here. And a little around my nose. And on my chin. And on my Cupid's bow. And up my nose. Cover that dot in the middle. And then, oh, I forgot to put it on my eyelids. And on my eyelids. Because they are dark. Seems like this diet is definitely giving me more wrinkles. Because whenever I lose weight, the first place I lose it is in my face. Which I don't need to lose it in my face because it's always the last place I gain weight. So this is not really a true first impression. It's a second impression. Because even though I didn't get to film it, I mean I filmed it, I filmed the whole thing, I just can't hear anything. And I talk way too much to try and figure out what I was talking about without sound. So I decided it was easier just to start over. So that's what I did. That's what you're getting right now, my start over. And so far I like it. Just so you know, I liked it yesterday, but I didn't do a check-in at the end of the day because I figured out by then that I had no sound. So I will do that today. And today I have to go find a Christmas tree. Powder. We're going to do powder next. And I'm going to use my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. My favorite powder. Start off under my eyes. And then I'm going to go down into these smile line wrinkles, get them nice and set. Then I'm just going to brighten up everywhere I put that concealer. So then I'm just going to take whatever's left in here and use it on the rest of my face. I am going to go off camera, finish my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the look of the day, and So far, I am loving it. As you guys know, I wore it yesterday without sound. So I already know that I do like it. What I don't know is how it lasts because I didn't pay attention once I realized I had no sound. So I will, so far though, I love it. It doesn't sink into lines. It's very lightweight. It looks good. It's not full coverage because I can still see lots of spots shining through, but it still looks pretty good, so I'm happy with it. I will come back at the end of the day and let you know how it wore all day, so I will come back. Oh, okay guys, I am back. I was downstairs just getting ready to start washing off my makeup when I remembered I didn't do my final check-in. So, luckily, I hadn't started washing it off yet. I actually was just looking in the mirror and I noticed that it was sinking into this wrinkle right here a little bit. But that's the only one. All the rest of them look great. And that was after a long day of running around and getting stuff. But I really like this foundation. I think it looks amazing. And you wouldn't have even noticed this because it was so deep in there that you wouldn't have been able to see it. And I already pushed it out. That's when I remembered that I hadn't done a check-in. So I'm definitely giving this one. And this one is the Makeup Revolution. And the concealer's good too. I like the concealer too. Both of them are a great pair. I'm going to keep trying this whenever I'm not doing another Wrinkle Makeup Monday thing. But I am going to keep using it because I really like it. I like the glow that it gives you, and I'm not seeing any dryness. It's really nice. It doesn't have as much coverage as I would like, but I needed to just go back in and spot conceal with those. And then Allie Glines said that she uses this to spot conceal with. And I was actually getting ready to give this to my daughter because I liked it when I used it, but now that it's gotten to winter, it's like, I don't think I'm going to be able to use a matte. Let's see if it'll cover this spot. Because she said she uses it for a spot concealer. It did pretty good, huh? Yep. I don't know. I was getting ready to give it to my daughter, but I was going to take it to her in California. And now we're not going. I'm still going to give it to her, though, because I already told her I would. But I am starting to think that maybe I shouldn't have told her, because now that I tried this spot, it's really covering up pretty good. Because these spots are pretty red, and it's totally taking them down. Maybe not all the way, but it's definitely bringing it down a notch or two. I'll have to try it again. Oh yeah, I like it on those. And this big old vein that's showing now. I think that's because of my diet. Because whenever I lose weight, the first place that I lose it is in my face, of course, where I don't need to lose it. But there's nothing I can do about that. Anyways, this is not about that. I just wanted to try it since I knew I had a few little spots. But I am definitely giving this and this a thumbs up for Hot Flash and Wrinkles, because I've certainly had plenty of both, and it did really well. Like I said, it's not full coverage. I don't think it's medium coverage at best. But then I don't like to really cake it on, because if you really cake something on, it's going to get in the wrinkles more. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!